What's up everybody, Boba here. Today we're going to be reviewing and unboxing the Logitech G733 White Edition Wireless Gaming Headset. But first, like usual, we gotta roll that intro. What's up everyone, Boba back here at the review table. Today I've got a new product for you guys, and that is the Logitech G733 Lightspeed Wireless RGB Gaming Headset. So we're gonna be unboxing this, and we are gonna be deep diving into this headset, and I will be reviewing a microphone. I will be reviewing the microphone on this headset, because apparently it has what they call blue voice, so it should be a pretty good microphone. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get this bad boy unboxed. Right, let's check this thing out here. So it's a Logitech product, so I have a feeling it'll be boxed very nicely, because Logitech's very good at unboxing their packaging their stuff for the most part. Okay, these are the accessories right here. Headset, nicely packaged. Right, let's check this bad boy out. Ooh, these are nice. All right, they got this band on there. So this is what the headset looks like here. And it looks like it has a detachable microphone, so we'll have to grab that real quick and put it on here. Now this headset normally comes in the color black, but I found these at Best Buy, and this was the only pair of white ones that I found. And I actually bought these for my wife because she really likes the white color with the purple on top. So I figured that she would like these. Because she really likes wireless. All right. Okay, here is the detachable microphone here. Let's go ahead and look at this. Don't want to break it or anything. All right, so it looks like the microphone just plugs in right there. Kind of bendy. So this is what the headset looks like on ears. So I don't really look that great with gamery headsets normally, but that's what it looks like there. You have a power button here, volume knob. Oop, I just turned them on. This is what the RGB looks like on there. Pretty cool looking. Just a nice little basic strip of RGB. But back to it, you have what looks like a scroll wheel and some type of select button of some sort. Oh, okay, you can change your the colors on your RGB with that button. So we'll go ahead and turn these off for the moment, because we are going to do a sound test for the microphone, and I will let you guys know what I think of the drivers here. But the most exciting thing about these headphones that I have found, and this is like the first time I've seen like a peripheral, and pretty much the first time like a mainstream company peripheral actually come with, oh yeah, a USB-C. Yay! We're starting to switch over back to USB-C. Finally, I'm starting to see more USB-C. I'm so tired of getting products with USB micro or mini or whatever it's called. Tired of it. USB-C. So this is a USB-C plug. Like it uses USB-C to plug in and charge and everything. So yes, thank you Logitech. I appreciate it. All right, and then, oh, that's cool. So even the wireless adapter is white as well. So it's pretty much like everything you get is white. Though I'm kind of surprised they didn't make the cable white, you know, to just kind of go with everything, because they went through the hassle of making the dongle white. It's kind of weird. I wish they would have made this white. That would have been kind of like a complete package. Though I will say, I'm glad that they did not braid the cable. I cannot stand braided cables, because they grab and are kind of annoying. It looks like you get directions, tells you how to take off the ear cuffs if you ever need to. And yeah, that's about it. So that is what it comes with. Oh, the Logitech G733 White Edition Wireless Lightspeed Gaming Headset. Now, if you guys don't know what Lightspeed means, Lightspeed is just Logitech's way of saying that they have a special technology in here that has ultra low latency. There's been a lot of tests with Lightspeed products out there, and you know, there's a lot of tests showing that they're sometimes even faster than wired other wired peripherals. I can't talk today, apparently. So yeah, the Lightspeed is very, very good. If you guys do not know, I've been running Lightspeed products for a few months now. My wireless keyboard and my wireless mouse are both Lightspeed products, and I've had zero issue whatsoever with them. So yeah. Things to note, it has a detachable microphone, so that's nice. It means you can wear these without having to worry about looking like a gamer, though these are very gamer-esque looking headphones. So I mean, you're gonna look like a gamer or somebody that games with these on no matter what, but it is kind of nice that they have a detachable microphone. I like that. I wish more companies would keep doing the detachable microphone trend. Right, so the G733 headphones are using dual layer memory foam cushions, and I will tell you guys, with these on, they are extremely comfortable. Very, very, very comfortable. I keep accidentally turning them on. It also comes with a reversible headband. So the top of it is purple and the bottom is a teal, purple, and pink. So if you want, you could just, all you do is you just pull it off right here like this. So there's like a little thing right there and it's rubber, and you just literally just pull it off, and then you can flip it over. You can also tighten it because there's 2 notches there. So if you look right there, there are 2 notches, and you can use that to adjust your headband to however you want it to fit. Very cool. I like it doesn't have the little notches that go to size adjust it. It just makes it kind of an overall better experience, because those tend to, they remind me of pretty much any gaming headset that I've ever used. A lot of use of plastic, though I will say these are very durable feeling because they use like a rubbery plastic. So that's kind of nice. I wouldn't be worried about, accidentally dropping these or anything like that. These things feel very durable. The biggest point that I would really worry about on these are where the ear cuff attaches to the headband itself. It's really just a little plastic joint in there holding it together, and I have a feeling that could snap right off really easily. But other than that, they feel very durable, super comfortable, very lightweight. They're around 300 grams, so they're super lightweight. And they are using Logitech's Pro G audio drivers, which are known to be pretty good drivers for what they are. Again, the detachable microphone is what they call the Blue microphone certified technology, whatever microphone. So what they're saying is it should be a good gamer-esque microphone on a gaming headset, though I highly doubt it's going to compete with a cheap $20 USB microphone. And if you guys are interested in a video where I compare gamer headsets with microphones built into them to low-end and high-end microphones, let me know in the comments and I will do a video on that. But yeah, so we talked about the build, we talked about everything else. Let's go ahead and hop over to the testing bench table computer desk, and let's test out the headset and let's see how they sound. I'll see you guys over there. All right, guys, this is Boba here testing the microphone on the G733 Wireless Gaming Headset. So testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Hopefully everything sounds really good here. The first time I did this test, I accidentally had the input in mono mode, which is what I run my RE320 microphone through, my dynamic mic through, so they kind of messed up the original test. So testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. This is again the built-in microphone here on the Logitech G733 wireless gaming headset with the Lightspeed technology. Of course, we got the RGB, so this is going to make them sound better. Again, I did do a test on the sound with hip hop and rock, and holy crap, does these headphones sound good. But we will talk more about that back at the review table when I give you guys my closing thoughts on these. So this is Boba, and I will see you guys over at the review table. All right, everyone, this is Boba here, and I had to do it. I had to pull out a cheap $30 USB microphone off of Amazon that I got off of Amazon, just to show you the difference of what a cheap standalone microphone will do for your audio. Because I went back and I listened to the audio on the Logitech G733 headphones, and I don't know if I've just been using higher end audio equipment for too long, but holy crap, did they sound horrible Probably one of the worst gaming headset microphones I have ever heard. I mean, it is atrocious. So I figured I would throw this in here. This is what it would sound like if you just spent $30 or $20 more on a standalone USB microphone straight off of Amazon right here. So testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Again, an extra $20 and you could sound like this. 25, $30, whatever. Like no joke, this is what you would get. So this is the audio difference. So this is why I never recommend with streaming with gaming headsets. They just sound absolutely atrocious. Again, this is what a cheap standalone USB microphone sounds like. And this is the Toner T77C. So yeah, I just pulled this out. All right, I'll see you guys at the review table. All right, everybody, Boba back at the review table. So yeah, very disappointed in the microphone quality on that. I was expecting definitely better microphone quality coming from, you know, having that blue certification or whatever they're calling it on their blue certified microphone. It was absolutely atrocious. But again, you have to understand, I've been using external microphones for quite a while now because I mainly do streaming and stuff. So take that, you know, for what it is. I mean, I put the test in there so you can hear it for yourself. But other than that, you know, the headphones, they feel good. They're built reasonably good. Yeah, as far as quality, comfort, and sound goes, they sound really, really good. The bass is very good on them. The mids are solid, and the highs are pretty good. The soundstage is solid on these headphones. I will say they're not very powerful. I actually had to turn my volume up pretty much to max on my computer to get the sound performance that I wanted out of them. Other than that, you know, the build quality is okay. They're not the best built headphones I've ever used. They're extremely comfortable. So the pros, they're comfortable, they sound good. The cons, they're not built that great. Like the little plastic hinge in there, it will break eventually if you don't take care of them. And I'm a little worried about the stretchy headband on top eventually stretching out. Something happened. I had a pair of SteelSeries headphones that had the stretchy band and it ended up wearing out eventually. It was kind of annoying. So that's kind of a con, kind of a pro. It depends on how you look at it. But the biggest con of these headphones is the microphone. Holy crap, is the microphone atrocious on these. The worst microphone on any gaming headset I've actually ever used. Like, these are bad microphone. Like, it would work to get your point across in a competitive game, but other than that, I mean, these are atrocious microphone. But other than that, you know, enough kind of bashing it and stuff. You know, it is what it is. It's a gaming headset. They're not no gaming headset's known to have a great microphone, except for the Sennheiser gaming headset I have. Yeah. So this headset will run you around $120 in the white edition, and will run you $120 in the black edition too, apparently. So right now they're on sale for $120, $10 off at Best Buy. I will have a link in the description. It is a non-affiliate link, so you know, if you want to quickly buy these, go ahead and go ahead and buy them off Best Buy. They're $120. Again, the sound is very good. The microphone's not that great. All right, guys, I'm the Boba. And if you like this kind of content, you like tech reviews, peripheral reviews, and you like me testing stuff, and I'm kind of just a techie person in general, and you want to subscribe, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next video. I'm Boba, and I am out.